What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free 5k Profem account. So this Profem account is free, you don't need to pay anything, it's just free. You just need to get the account, trade it, and then withdraw your profit once you just pass the account. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link at the description box of this video. So once you click the link, it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to sign up and then get the free Profem account. And also, if today is the first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn off the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a video like this. And also don't forget to like this video and also share it to someone that you know will be in a need of free Profem account. Okay, so once you click the link, it's going to bring you right here. So what you're going to do is click this free challenge button, and here are the rules and all the stuff about the 5k account. Okay, so as you can see, there's a this is a two-step account. Okay, so step one, profit target is 7%, so you need to reach 7% to pass the first stage, and also the second stage is 10%, and maximum drawdown is 8%, and daily drawdown is 4%, and also profit split is 50%. So for the profit split, so once maybe you reach 100k profit and you want to 1000 profit and you want to withdraw, so you'll be getting $500 and they will be taking $500. So you know the Profem is free, you didn't pay anything to get it, so that's understandable. So just click this free button right here to get the Profem account. So just wait for it to load, just be patient and wait for it to load before continue. So it's going to bring you to this page right here where you're going to fill in your details, all your details necessary. Just fill in your details, and also don't forget to click this button right here. Once you're done, fill in your details and then scroll down and click this pay now button. So that's once you're done putting your details, and you click the agreement button, then scroll down, click this payment button below here. So I'm going to do mine right now, so I'm going to pause the video and continue shortly. Okay, so once you click the pay now button, you're going to send a code to your email. Copy the code, paste it, and then it's going to take a time. It's going to take a while before it processes. Just wait for it. After it's done, they are going to send you another email, as you can see right here. This is the email they are going to send to you. So this is the email to get the free 5k account. So as you can see, your free 5k from there is waiting for you, that stuff. So what you do, you just click the start button. As you can see, these are the details. So I already sent you the details on how to pass the account and other, as I see, stage 2 consistency, minimum days trading, say 3 days, and then other stuff. Just go through it, read it, and understand how the account works for you not to go and blow the account. Okay, so just click this start trading button right here. It's going to take you to your website, and that's where you're going to see the 5k account and you start trading it. So just wait for it. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is my 5k free Profem account right here. So just click here to see the account details. Okay, so as you can see right here, account size 5k, account type free, two-step, 5k challenge, all this, and the equity and all that. And also if you scroll down, you're going to see okay your progress, your daily drawdown, if you reach the daily drawdown or not, maximum, and then profit target. This for the phase one account. So the daily drawdown is $200, and then maximum drawdown is $400, and then profit target $350. So once you reach $350, and also one thing for the account, you can't pass the, let's say, the first stage and second stage within, let's say, 3 days. No, you cannot pass it. So once you just pass the first stage, you need to wait for 4 days before you can pass the second stage. So once you just reach the profit target of a stage 1, wait for another 4 days before you pass the stage 2, so that you won't lose your account. Okay, so to get the login details or to trade the account, go back, then click this trade button right here. It's going to take you to where you're going to see your details, I think. Okay, so this is the trading platform. Okay, for this Profem, I think you cannot use it for on MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. You need to trade with your own platform, like with their own trading platform. Okay, so you can choose your trading pair right here. It is forex trade pairs. So as you can see, these are forex pairs for here, and then crypto trade and pairs, we have it here, and see these assets. Okay, okay, so this is where you can trade. You cannot trade it on MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Okay, so let's say I want to trade let me try it. Let's see, gold. Okay, so these are, let's see, let's go for a sell. Okay, so this, I'm just trying to show you that, and you can trade on it, and then you can make your profit. The profit is legit, and so there is me showing you how to place an order to register, get the 5k and all that. Okay, so I think that's all for now, and also don't forget to make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and also one important thing, once you got the 5k account, drop into the comment section that you got the account, so that others will know that the Profem is free, is legit, and it's easy to get and all that. Okay, so see you in my next video. Peace.